Greetings everyone. It is a privilege to introduce a true titan of dental education and research in India, Dr. G.S. Kumar. An alumnus of the prestigious Government Dental College, Chennai, Dr. Kumar has dedicated over 36 years to the advancement of oral pathology and biology. His career is a masterclass in academic leadership. He has served in various roles, including the principal and dean of KSR Institute of Dental Science and Research for nearly 2 decades. Beyond the administrative halls, his influence reaches every dental student across the country. As the editor of Orban's Oral Histology and Embryology from the 12th edition onwards, he has quite literally shaped the foundational knowledge of dentists and oral pathologists in India. His expertise is truly global, with the tenure as a visiting professor at the University of West Indies and advanced training in molecular biology from King's College London. A former president of the Indian Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Pathologists, and a recipient of the Best Teacher Award from the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Dr. Kumar is a leader who truly believes in leading by example. It is an honor to have a session in the International Oral Diseases Case Presentation Conference 2026, named after a mentor, a renowned researcher, and a visionary academician, Dr. G.S. Kumar.